Hey everybody, Mike here from MSL Computer Service, Mike's Computer Tips. I want to show you how to make your computer run faster. Just go down to your Start button, right click it, left click Settings, and then when this box opens up, go to Apps, and then Installed Apps. And just this whole list, you can go all the way down from here all the way to the bottom. Those are all the programs running on your computer. And if you don't use any of these programs, you could just uninstall them. You see, there's a lot of stuff on here that's running on your computer, but you're not using it. So just go down to each one. If you don't want it or you don't use it, go to these three dots and hit uninstall and do that for every program that you don't use. And then just close this out and restart your computer. It will be running faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.